My Windows 11 just got a sleek UI and it comes with some crazy new features, and let me show you all the features it comes with, and after that I'm also going to show you how you can get it on your computer and show you a new bonus start menu which I've also found, which is pretty crazy than this one. And without wasting your time, let's get right into the video. So this is the new start menu and it looks pretty clean and beautiful. So with this, you can see all your pinned apps here, and you can even expand it or reduce it over here to have a new view for yourself. And also with the categories, you can just go with a normal list or with the grid views like how it was. And I think it being in a category view is kind of cool, where you can scroll through it easily. Over here, you can just click on it to show your phone over here and see your phone connected and a whole lot of things over here, and you can even hide it. If you don't see it too, you can just right click on your start menu, go to the start menu settings, and over here you have to make sure this is toggled on. So if it's off, you're going to see it's not there again, and you just have to toggle it on to see it right there. And I think this is a nice thing with this start menu. You have your profile over here, and even with the search bar, when you try to search anything, it's kind of a little shorter than the default one, and I think this is more nicer. I've also turned on search indexing to make sure everything is smooth over here for me, and I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the new start menu, and to get it, you have to get the application called Windhawk, and with this you just have to install a mode which is called Start Menu Styler. And with this, you can go to the settings tab, and over here the new one I'm using is called Layer Maker UI, and I think this is a pretty cool one. So with this, you're going to have this start menu, and I think it's a beautiful start menu where you can just install and set it up for yourself. And the next one I'm going to show you is called the Command Center, and it looks like macOS Command Center in a form of start menu, and it's pretty cool. So it is, when I click on it, you're going to see everything in this look, and I think that's not bad too. You can scroll through and also scroll over here, and I think it's pretty cool. You can also check it out for yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's look pretty cool. And in addition to this, one thing I want to show you is also, if you want to get this new Windows Taskbar style on your computer, which is my favorite one, you can also install a mode called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler, and here choose Liquid Glass, which is the alternative one, and here save, and you are going to get this new start menu. And if you want to know more about this Windhawk application, I've done a full video about it showing the top best 15 modes in Windhawk, and I think you can check it out. So yeah, this is pretty much the whole entire video I wanted to show you, which is a new start menu, and I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, give it a try for yourself and let me know what you think in the comment below. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.